middle of September in South Korea, and it is still sweltering hot. Like, it is 6:30 in the evening and I'm sweating. It's been a tough summer. So that was prompted me to come down here and get some ice cream in Hannam-dong. And this is really an area that I've been wanting to photograph for a while, actually. This is a very, very affluent part of Seoul. Lots of tourists here because it is also Korean Thanksgiving, and the city is definitely a bit more empty than usual, which is nice. But I figured that, it's about time that I do another street photography video, and lately I've just been so tired and so, I won't say burnt out, but summer this year has been especially difficult. I've been working very long hours and that's just really draining the energy to go out and shoot and do these POVs. I'm not naturally extroverted, so it takes a lot of energy for me to speak to a camera, especially in public. And so I came out tonight just to try get some photos and to try get back into the rhythm of making YouTube videos, practicing a bit of street photography. Whoa, something in that ice cream. So one of the other reasons that I just wanted to take this walk and get out a bit and do this video is to talk about how my kind of shooting preferences have changed lately. Over the past, I'd say probably 3 to 4 months, I've pretty much abandoned all my larger lenses. I've abandoned my Sigma zoom, which is a great lens, make no mistake, but I've gravitated towards these smaller kind of pancake style primes, and especially this version from TT Artisan, the 27 f2.8. I just pretty much go everywhere with it now, and the focal length I find is a pretty good fit for me as well. It's a 27mm, so it's just about 40mm full frame equivalent. So what I was trying to say yesterday before I ran out of breath going up those stairs in Hannam was that 27mm or a full frame 40mm equivalent to me just makes sense for daily shooting, especially when you pair it with like a compact pancake lens like this. It's just such an easy pick up and go combination. I used to have the Sigma 30mm f1.4 many years ago, and I would actually say that lens almost kickstarted this channel in a way, because I was shooting on Sony at the time, and the Sigmas still today is probably one of the best value fast lenses that you can get across most of the camera manufacturers. Now they make that 30mm lens for all the mounts, and yeah, I didn't have a zoom, I only had that lens, got tired of it, sold it. But that's really what kickstarted this channel, and that's what created most of my favorite photos from that period, and that was a 45mm full frame equivalent. I'm actually here at a park in Cheongdam in Gangnam, where I first came in 2018. A very kind tour guide brought me, I booked a tour on Airbnb, and he brought me to this park, and it was nowhere near as developed then as it is now, and it is probably got, I would say, some of the best panoramic views of Seoul looking out towards the east. You can see Jamsil Tower, you can see across the bridge to Tuksom Hangang Park, you can obviously see the entire river. It's really beautiful. Would definitely suggest coming out here if you get the chance. It is absolutely stunning. And I'm going to try and get some time lapses now. I've also got my Viltrox 85mm f1.8, which I'm trying to use to get some detail shots of the landmarks, so specifically this highway that goes over the Han River, and then also Jamsil Tower out to the east.